So in this video we are going to learn how to install Node.js on your local machine. So to install Node.js on your local machine, go to Google search and type in download Node.js. Go to official link nodejs.org and click on download. So clicking here will lead you to the download section, and if you're not here, just check on the top header and select downloads, so that you are on the downloads page, which looks exactly like this. At the later point of this course, for example several months or years later, this page might look a bit different, but the process remains same. So select the operating system that you're using right now. For me it's macOS, for you it might be Windows, or if you are using Linux or Ubuntu, I would show you how you can do that in the later part of this video. So to begin with, select the operating system and download the latest version, and the download will begin immediately. So once the download is done, open the folder, go to the downloads folder and double click the installation package. This will ask you to continue in order to begin with the installation. So continue, accept the license agreement, click on agree, then click on install. For me it's already done, but to show you I would just continue. It will take some time for installation to complete, and once this is done, it will show you a summary of the installation location. Click on close. Move the installation package to bin in case of macOS. In case of Windows, it would not be similar to this, and you will have to do something on your own and delete the file. So once this is done, open terminal, type node-v in order to check the Node.js version you're using, and this will also confirm that the Node.js installation is successful. So we have our Node.js version 18.15.0 at the time of this course recording. This version might be different at the time when you're purchasing this course and viewing this video, but it doesn't make much difference in the course content. So we'll be closing this now, and let's see what are the steps for Linux operating system. So to do that, go to Google, type installing Node.js on Ubuntu. Go to vultr.com in order to see how you can install Node.js on Ubuntu. Select the first link you find on Vultr. I will also write down these steps in the course requirements list, so that you can easily copy and use those instructions directly onto your terminal. So to start with, go to the terminal on your Ubuntu machine and then type in sudo apt install nodejs-y. This will install stable version of Node.js on your machine. And in order to install Node Package Manager, mention sudo apt install npm-y. This will install Node Package Manager on your machine. And to verify the Node version, you can run nodejs -version. And to verify the installation of npm, you can similarly run npm -version. So I hope that you are able to understand what we're doing in this video, and the Node has been successfully installed on your machine. So let's start with our next video, that is how to install Visual Studio Code on your local machine.